Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, I wholeheartedly welcome you to Eat to Live Strong Plus More. And today I am going to do another segment on the Plus More side of the channel, which is another unboxing because your girl has so many boxes that she has not opened up yet. Shame on me. The audience want to know what I got. And so do I. So I am going to do an unboxing today, and it is from a retailer. And it is something that I saw online on Facebook, and I have just like, oh, I gotta have it because I'm ready to work on another crocheting project. It is from Michaels, and I got it, and I'm so excited. I'm ready to share this with you guys, but I'm also ready to start on my project. But I will tell you, Michaels delivered this in great time, and I believe I got it within 2 days. They put it in a protective covering because we got rain and it's April showers, but they sent it to me. So we're gonna go ahead and get this open and get started because I'm ready to get started on my project. So, you know your girl have to have a handy dandy scissors because I am no good with opening things. Okay, let's see. Just wanna make sure because of what it is, I don't wanna cut the wrong thing. Okay, I just cut a tip off here. And let's go ahead and get this open. Let's just pull it apart. It's mine. All right. All right. So they were showing, as I said, on Facebook. And it just kept popping up on my feed. I'm like, maybe I need to get this because I am interested in starting a new project. So I ordered their things collection. So let's just get all of these open so you can see what they are. But I bought a total of 3. They're different color patterns of jeans. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with opening this so I can go on to my next important thing, which is starting the project. And then I'll talk to you about that. So let's go ahead and open this up and I'll just tell you the names of them. So it is called Jeans. It's acrylic. And this one is the Stonewash. Stonewash. So this is a appearance of Stonewash's Lion brand. So there you go. And it looks like Stonewash jeans, right? So my mom's like, you got jean yarn? No, it's acrylic, Mom. And then the next one here, I'm already thinking that I'm going to order another batch like this because of what I'm going to try and make. And I'll talk to you guys about that in a little bit. But this one, of course, also is called Jeans. And this one here is brand new jeans. So this looks like brand new jeans, right? Brand new. Again, and this is called Jeans. And this one is acrylic. Isn't that pretty? Let's see if anybody's gonna know what I'm getting ready to try and make. Okay, so we got Stonewash, we got brand new. Let's see what this one is. And again, it kept showing up on my Facebook feed and I was super excited to get it. And when I purchased it, I'm like, oh, I hope I hurry up to get here because we're getting rain and it's a good time for me to crochet is when it's raining. So this one here is called, and again, this is Lion's brand, Jeans. And this one is called Classic. These are all acrylic. They came from Michaels and it's exclusive because I haven't seen them anywhere else. So Michaels, you took the chart on this one. These are the 3. Now, here's my question for you guys. I am going to make a denim dress, a summer dress, like a sundress or a nice little dress with sleeves or something like that. But I want to make a nice little dress out of these denim. And I'm going to do them in maybe like a granny square or patches. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do a patchwork dress and I am going to use these 3. But somebody said, so how are you going to keep from showing all your body parts when you crochet the dress? Okay, so you can do one or 2 things. You can do a lining, but the way I'm going to do it is I'm going to put them all together, tightly knitted, and then I am going to do an embroider, like kind of like a fray look on each stitch. So it'll look kind of different. I'm just trying to think about that. So if you guys have some suggestions, let me know what you think. Or I can either take, I don't think I want to do the white because someone has already told me to use white as to use it as the stitching and do like a braiding look. So that's another option. I'm thinking I might do black instead of the white. Let me know your opinion. What do you think? Should I do black or should I do white? Should I do braided or should I do it frayed? You know, like the blue jeans, the distressed look. So that's the options I'm going to use with these. So these are the 3 that they have offering at Michael's exclusive. And again, Stone Wash, Classic, and Brand New. And your girl is going to make a super foxy dress for the summer. So those are my 3 that I got from, and it's 3 in each pack. 3 in each pack. And let me tell you what the weight is on this. We are looking at a medium 4, and that's your content there. I don't know if you can see this, but it will be in the description box as well. So you'll be able to gauge it from the description box. And this is a recommended, what's the needle recommendation on this one? This is recommending a hook of, oh my God, these old eyes cannot see this. It is right there, but again will be in the description box. So guys, that concludes the unpackaging from Michael's. I got these fabulous pieces that I can make my sundress. And again, in this description box, we'll have all of the information regarding the gauge, the needle, the fabric, the weight, all of that will be in the description box. But also comment below, guys, and let me know which way you think I should do this dress. Should I have the frayed look? And if you don't know, or the distressed look, you know how they got the jeans and they cut it up, that look, or should I use the white braided or black braided? I'm thinking if I do anything, it's going to be black braided because of the colors here. And then I will make it so that I don't have to put a lining in it, because then that means I will have to go and sew. And I'm not trying to sew. I just want to crochet and get this over with. So guys, that concludes the video of these fabulous yarns that I purchased from Michael's. They delivered it to me. Great delivery. Thumbs up to Michael's. And they got here in good timing and they packaged it very well. So they will be getting a nice review. But also, here are the beauties here. Again, it is called Jeans. And it is going to be in the description box. It is Brand New, Stone Wash, and Classic. So not in any order in this stack, but those are the colors. And guys, don't forget also to leave me a comment. Should I use when I'm putting the patchwork pieces together, should I be doing this with a distressed look, or should I do it with a corded look, or should I do a braided look? Should I use the black, the white, or just do it really tight knit, or just do a god-awful lining? Please don't say lining. Please don't say lining. But anyway, guys, that's going to conclude the video. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell so that you're notified of all my videos when they're uploaded. Share me out, because sharing is caring. And as I always say at the end of each and every one of my videos, God bless you. See you next time. Love you long time. Bye for now.